You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact.
Concerning Biafra, IPOB lawyer Ejimako rejects Nigeria's government move to set date for resumption of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got in early this morning. As our headline for this morning says here that concerning Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer Ejimako rejects Nigeria's government move to set date for resumption of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Or the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), has rejected the Nigerian government's move to set a date for the resumption of Kanu's trial. Ejimako based his rejection on the fact that Justice Binta Wanko of the Abuja Federal High Court entered and enrolled an order reducing herself from Kanu's trial in September 24, 2024. Recall that Kanu has requested Justice Wanko to step down from his trial due to the lack of confidence in her handling of the matter. Following his request, the judge returned Kanu's case file to the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tosho. However, Justice Tosho sent the case file back to Justice Wanko for the continuation of the trial. Despite this, the prosecuting counsel for the Nigerian government, Adigboyegba Awumolo, requested a date to continue Kanu's trial. In a letter addressed to the Deputy Chief Registrar of the Federal High Court and dated December 5, 2024, Awumolo wrote, "We write as prosecuting counsel of the above-named criminal case pending before the Federal High Court Number 2. Your record will reveal that the defendant asked His Lordship, the Honorable Justice Binta Wanko, to rescue herself on Tuesday, 24th of September 2024. The case file was returned to the Honorable Chief Judge. We are here to inform that the Honorable Chief Judge had returned the case file for the continuation of trial before His Lordship, the Honorable Justice Binta Wanko. Grateful we may ask for a date for the continuation of hearing of the criminal charges against the defendant. Thank you for your anticipated cooperation." Rejecting Awomolo's request, Ejimako said that the move was fatally misconvened and if not checked could mislead Justice Yoanko into a path of infamy and unconstitutionality. In a counter letter to the Deputy Chief Registrar, Ejimako wrote, "This communication pertains to the attached letter by the complaint requesting a date for continuation of hearing to the criminal charges against the defendant. By this communication, we wish to go on record to inform your good office that the defendant takes serious exception to the said letter and hereby vigorously object to the request by the complaint for a date for the continuation of hearing of the criminal case before His Lordship, Honorable Justice Binta Wanko." Our position is predicted on the fact that record that His Lordship Honorable Justice Binta Wanko had entered and enrolled an order rescuing herself from handling the case or continuing with the trial. The said order was entered on 24th of September 2024 and to date remains extant to subsisting as it has not been set aside by a sequent order made by a competent court pursuant of a complaint process on notice. Well, we believe that the complaint request is fatally misconceived and, if not checked, may mislead His Honorable Court to a path of infamy and unconstitutionality. For the avoidance of doubt, as of 24th September 2024, the defendant no longer has any such case to answer before His Lordship Honorable Justice Binta Muntala Wanko. Kanu has remained incarcerated since June 2021 when he was rearrested in Kenya and subjected to extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. Following his return to Nigeria, the Court of Appeal discharged and acquitted Kanu of all charges, but the Nigerian government has refused to release him. The matter was contested at the Supreme Court, and in December 2023, the Apex Court ordered Kanu's case to be returned to Abuja Federal High Court for retrial. And that was all that was said here concerning the headline this morning, which says here that concerning Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer Ejimako rejects the Nigerian government move to set date for resumption of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. And none of you may be wondering that why is Ejimako rejecting the dates? She don't want Nnamdi Kanu's trial to start. But before I move on, don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here, right now, is to tap that subscribe button with the notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it ASAP. Well, the matter is that since Nnamdi Kanu told Justice Bita Wanko to step down, and yes, she did step down. The case file was brought back to the Chief Judge of Nigeria, Tosho, and this judge returned the case file back to Justice Binta Wanko, saying that she's the only one that can preside over the case, so she has much knowledge in the case than any other lawyer. And let's not forget that 3 lawyers now have presided over the case of Nnamdi Kanu before Binta Wanko, but all of them stepped down. All of them stepped down from the case. Yes, all of them stepped down from the case. And now you guys want to continue trial. Ejimako made it clear that Nnamdi Kanu will not stand in front of Binta Wanko to continue his trial. You cannot tell me that there's not enough lawyers in this country. Yes, Ejimako made itself clear that Nnamdi Kanu will not stand in front of Binta Wanko to preside over his case because all of them are corrupt. Even though they even change Binta Wanko, it will still be the same thing because Nigeria government, Nigeria judiciary, all of them are corrupt. All of them are corrupt. Yes, that was why Ejimako said all this that he said right here, right now. According to what Ejimako said, he said that this statement can be misconceived and not if checked could mislead Justice Nwankwo into a path of infamy and unconstitutionality. In a counter letter, Ejimako wrote that this communication pertains to the attached letter by the complainant requesting a date for continuation of hearing of the criminal charges against the defendant. By this communication, we wish to go on to record to inform you, your good office, that the defendant takes serious exception to the said letter and hereby vigorously object to the request by the complainant for a date for the continuation of hearing of this criminal case before the Lordship Honorable Justice Binta Wanko. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu reject standing in front of Binta Wanko. He rejected. If Kanu said no, he does not want Binta Wanko, find another lawyer. It's as simple as that. It's not by force it will be Binta Wanko, a very corrupt woman. It's not by force. If Kanu says no, no. Drop a comment in the comment section concerning what you think. Yes, concerning what you think. Drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Then tap the subscribe button yes because on with the notification bell so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.